right, so I'm going away for a few days. So, of course, I have to make my husband his breakfast, lunch, and dinners for when I'm away because he doesn't know how to boil water. So I have two breakfasts for Tuesday, one for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Pancakes, scrambled eggs, sausage, and this is a cheese omelet with 4 slices of crispy bacon. And here's plenty of syrup for him that he could just leave at the office for when he takes his 2 breakfasts for Tuesday and Wednesday. So breakfast is done. Now on to the dinners. Okay, so since I'm leaving tomorrow morning and I won't be back until Thursday night, you already saw the breakfasts that I have for him. So he's got breakfast for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now, these are pork chops that I made, I think, Saturday night. So I had 2 left over with the homemade gravy. So I made him a lunch. That'll be his lunch for Wednesday. I just made some rice with the gravy, opened up a can of corn. This is actually some leftover Thanksgiving turkey with stuffing underneath it, mashed potatoes, broccoli, and butter. That he'll have tomorrow because it's still good. I tasted it. I just don't want it to go bad. So that's his lunch for tomorrow. Then I made some chicken in the oven, which is going to be his dinner for tonight with homemade mashed potatoes. And I had like a half a bag of frozen broccoli, a half a bag of string beans, a half a bag of frozen corn, a half a bag of peas and carrots. I just put them all into a bowl and heated them up in the microwave. So it's like a mixed vegetable on all the plates. So I did the roasted chicken thighs for tonight with mashed potatoes, chicken gravy, and the vegetables. And then this is his lunch for Wednesday. Either Wednesday or Thursday. So that's mashed potatoes, the chicken, and string beans. I have the leftover pork here with the rice and the leftover Thanksgiving. So that's basically Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday lunches. Now for the dinners, I made 2 nice big pieces of chicken cutlet breaded. So one is chicken parm, and I just heated up some ravioli, and I had a jarred sauce. I didn't go crazy with that. Then over here I have spare ribs, which are the Lloyd's that already come like in the bag, already cooked, the baby back ribs. And I did make some rice, and I put a little bit of that pork chop gravy on it. Even though it has butter and salt and pepper in the rice, I know my husband likes gravy on everything, even though it really doesn't go with the spare ribs. Oh, freaking well. So he's got the chicken dinner for tonight. He's got spare ribs, chicken parm with ravioli, and then regular just chicken cutlet with mashed potatoes and the vegetable. So yeah, so 4 dinners, 3 lunches, and in the refrigerator is the 3 breakfasts. So this took me all day. It is now almost 12 o'clock. He's got his cranberry sauce because he can't eat chicken or turkey without cranberry sauce. So I got him 2 cans. And yeah, so I'm just going to have to wrap everything and label it. You know, what to take Monday for breakfast, Monday for lunch, Tuesday, and then Wednesday and Thursday, what he's going to have for the dinners. Like, I have to let him know in what order to eat everything. So my work is done now to clean up the kitchen, because it's kind of a mess over here. So to clean up the kitchen and then start packing and then relax, because I have a long drive tomorrow. All right, so I just wanted to show everybody how I prep for my husband for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I have to do this every time I go away, even if it's for a week. So thank God it's only for 3 days, because otherwise I'd have a lot more plates up here. When I get back, I have a few things to do next weekend. But on Monday, I'll be doing a nice appetizer video, actually, of a Christmas tree. I can't explain it, but that'll be on Monday. So look forward to that. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button. Please hit the notification bell. And if you like what I made for my husband for when I'm away, give this video a thumbs up. And why I'm going upstate, I forgot to tell you, is I'm going with my cousin and her daughter to go see the Trans-Siberian Orchestra in Albany. Absolutely love them. So I will be taking some video clips of that concert and probably posting it. I don't know if I'm allowed to on YouTube. I'll probably do it on my Facebook page. I'll put the link to my Facebook page and my Instagram in the description box below. So yeah, let me get all this stuff wrapped, labeled, put in the refrigerator, and let me clean this kitchen because I am spent. All right, guys. Love yous all. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see yous all in the next video. Bye-bye.